Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify financial advisors with NAPFA detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify financial advisors with NAPFA, start by visiting the NAPFA website. Locate the Find an Advisor tool on the home page. Enter your zip code or city to narrow your search for financial advisors in your area. Select your specific criteria for the type of advisor you need. Click on the profile of each advisor that interests you. Review their qualifications, experience, and specialties listed on their profiles. Check if the advisor is a fiduciary, as NAPFA members are required to operate under this standard. Look for credentials such as the Certified Financial Planner or other respected designations. Evaluate the advisor's fee structure to understand how they charge for their services. On the advisor's profile, find contact information to ask any initial questions. Consider scheduling a preliminary consultation to gauge compatibility. During the consultation, inquire about their investment philosophy and planning process. Ask about their experience with clients in similar financial situations to yours. Verify any claims of expertise by cross-referencing their background with other trusted platforms. Read online reviews and testimonials to gather more insights from past clients. After gathering all necessary information, assess whether the advisor meets your financial goals. Make your decision based on thorough research and personal comfort level. Remember, selecting a financial advisor is a significant decision that impacts your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.